guys, welcome back.
Hello, bro.
Today we're
shipping their best LED lamp.
Today we're going to unbox a little logistic 20-euro season. Oh, this is not. Total price €2. It's a lamputochka.
LED lamp, okay.
Oh, sorry, lamp.
Открывай,
We're gonna...
Тихо.
We're opening.
Opening. LED lamp, центре.
There you go. You see. Oh, lamps.
Stop. Wow.
Wow, look at this. It's made in China. Wow. Look, white E27. This is a code.
Wow.
What a cool bag.
Wow. Five lamp.
Okay, let's open it.
Тихо. Quiet, please. Filming.
No.
Quiet, please. Wow.
There you go. All of your lamputs.
No. Wow. Открывай это, лампочку.
I don't wanna.
Открывай.
No.
Быстрее. Давай, открывай. Тихо. Quiet, please.
How to open this?
Тихо. Мы щука с потравкой считас. Окей. Тыркой.
Okay, look at this. This is very cool. Look.
Открывай, тихо.
I can't open this.
Opening.
Maybe you try. I can't.
Try.
Oh.
Тихо. Okay, opening лампы. Вот эти ломовцы. Okay, LED лампы. Wow. Okay. Лампы. LED диоды. Okay. Wow. Cool лампы. Stop filming. No. Wow. Yeah. Oh.
Dirty hands. Need to wash.
Good LED lamp. Okay. Opening next.
No.
5 lamp.
Don't open. Verticale. Opening on camera.
Oh.
Oh, look at this.
Good. Thanks for watching Super LED lamps. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Как всегда. Окей.
Как
Спасибо,
всегда,
ребят.
зеро митинг, ребята.
Все,
Все, домой!